everybody, this is Jessica Oyanagi with Home Sweet Maui Realty, and I'm here today at the Haliimaile Distillery. We're here today to take a tour to see exactly how they make their liquor at this distillery and also sample some of their delicious spirits.
Haliimaile Distilling Company produces handcrafted, local Hawaiian brand spirits. They're located in the heart of Maui's Pineapple region, in Makawao, which is in upcountry Maui. Their goal is to create what they call, quote, Hawaii in a bottle. Our tour began with the guide showing us the heart of the distilling factory. The distillery uses unique glass stills that were designed by the father of the current head distiller. All of the company's different spirits are hand bottled and labeled right at their facilities. The distillery sets themselves apart by using local ingredients and distilling their spirits in very small batches. Once their spirits are distilled, they are mixed with Hawaiian spring water. The Haliimaile Distilling Company was created by the Levesque family. Their family has been in the distilling business for over 30 years, building brands like Hanabe Rum and Whalers Rum. 15 years ago, two brothers from the family decided to start their own authentic micro-distillery on the island of Maui. Their goal was to create spirits that were one of a kind. The distillery uses Maui Gold pineapple to make its most popular liquor, Pau Maui Vodka. They use pineapples that are grown super fresh right across the street at the Maui Gold Pineapple Farm. After seeing how spirits were made, we had a chance to visit the tasting room. Of course, this was the most fun part of the tour, where we actually had the opportunity to taste the different liquors that were distilled there. We had the opportunity to sample 4 different liquors. They had the option of trying their gin, whiskey, rum, and vodka. My drink of choice is a gin and tonic with lime. It was a really cool opportunity in the tasting room to actually see all of the many different botanicals that they used in the gin as you sample it. Of course, at the end of any great tour, there's always a good gift shop. So there's lots of Maui-centric and distillery goodies that you can buy. Tons of pineapple swag if you're into that. And it's a great way to end your tour and take home a souvenir from your trip to Maui.
Thank you so much for joining me on this quick tour of the Haliimaile Distilling Company. If you're looking for a client-based realtor on the island of Maui, feel free to contact me. I'll put my contact information in the details below.